Hey mamas, Roz here, founder of the Clean Mom Routine, your go-to girl for real life cleaning systems that actually work when you've got kids, a job, and zero time. All right, today we're going to talk about something that always gets people's in their feeling. What our mamas taught us about cleaning and why you have to unlearn some of them. And listen, this is no shade to our mamas, our aunties, our grandmas. They did the best that they could with what they had. But life in 2025, it hits different. The schedules are different. The mess is different. The energy is definitely different. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's talk about the 5 cleaning myths I had to let go of so I could finally have a clean home and a peaceful life. All right, tip number 1. If it doesn't smell like bleach, it ain't clean. I know your mamas did that. Can we just start with this? Because bleach was my mama's love language. If the house didn't smell like a YMCA locker room, she thought it wasn't clean. Now I get it. Back then, bleach was the go-to. But what we didn't know was bleach doesn't clean dirt. It disinfects. Overuse can irritate your skin, lungs, and damage surfaces. And honestly, the fumes are not cute when you've got little ones or pets around. So what can I use now? A mix of non-toxic cleaners like vinegar-based sprays or plant-based disinfectants that don't burn your eyes or have you feeling like you need a hazmat suit. Tip number 2, clean the whole house in one day. Saturday cleaning days, girl, they were a whole production. Music blasting, mop bucket out. Nobody could sit down until the baseboards were glistening. And I carried that into adulthood, until I had kids and a business and a life. I was burning myself out trying to clean everything in one day, just to feel behind again by Tuesday. So what did I do instead? I created the Clean Mom Routine, a daily rhythm that takes 30 minutes or less, broken down by task and day. Now I don't have to wait for Saturday to rescue me. I maintain it all week long. So drop a fire emoji in the chat if you grew up doing Saturday cleanings from sunup to sundown. All right, tip number 3, fold your towels like you work at a resort. My mama had things for folding, towels, sheets, t-shirt. It was all an art form. But listen, the way my life is set up now, I can't do that. So I'm folding towels while helping with homework, answering clients' emails, and stirring spaghetti. Ain't nobody got time for triple folds and decorative swans. So I gave myself permission to fold fast, not fancy. And so you should too. The goal is done, not perfect. Let's stop letting towel origami make us feel like we're not doing enough. Tip number 4, deep clean once a year in the spring. All right, who remembers spring cleaning day? Like that one magical weekend where we tried cleaning everything we ignored for 11 months. I'm talking curtains, window seals, dusting vents, flipping mattresses, the works. But here's the thing. Waiting for spring is what kept me overwhelmed. Now I sprinkle deep cleaning tasks into the monthly cleaning in the Clean Mom Routine. It's where you focus on one area or areas in your home per month. It's like building cleaning into life, not letting it hijack your whole month. All right, so for example, you have January, you clean your whole house. February, you do your kitchen and deep clean it. March, spring cleaning. And April, your bathrooms. All right, tip number 5. If you want it done right, do it yourself. Ooh, this one hits deep. My mama didn't have us doing a whole lot of cleaning growing up, but as a mom, I carried that. I thought it was my job. It was my house. I should handle it. But y'all, I was tired. I was resentful. I was out here folding other people's clothes and falling behind on my own dreams. So I made a shift. I've stopped doing it all myself. Now my kids have age-appropriate chores. We have systems. I teach them routines, not just rules. Because I'm not just raising kids, I'm raising future adults who know how to manage a home. All right, so mamas, do you get your kids to help around the house? Drop their age and what you've taught them to do so far. Let me know in the chat, so let's share that. So here's what I want you to take away from this. Just because your mama taught you something doesn't mean you have to live by it forever. You're allowed to create a routine that feels good. You're allowed to use your time wisely. You're allowed to unlearn hustle and choose peace. This is your home, your rules, your rhythm. If this video made you breathe a little easier, go ahead and grab my free Clean Mom Routine Guide in the description. It's going to help you build a simple system that works with your real life, not against it. And of course, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a tip, a laugh, or a few new mindsets to keep your home clean and your heart full. You've got this, Mama. I'll see you later.